I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular nightstands slash end tables. You can't really go wrong with either one of them. I'm going to give you the pros, the cons, how easy they were to assemble, what I like about each one, and answer all the questions you could possibly have about these. Quick little rundown right over here. So this one right over here is going to be the Vasagie, V-A-S-A-G-I-E. This one over here is going to be the Ansefe, A-N-S-E-F-E. And that one all the way over here is going to be your Philvilla, P-H-I-V-I-L-L-A. Let's start with this one over here. So this one right over here is the Vasagie one right over here. It's 18 by 17 by 24. You could hold 130 pounds on top of here or on the bottom of here. This does have a drawer that pulls out. If you kind of want to see what that looks like inside, kind of looks like this. This is an iPad, so you can kind of get an idea of like what you could fit in here, and how much you could fit in there. The cool part about this one right over here is you also have electric on here. So you could put, you have back over here, there are 2 plugs, and you could see them, and plug 2 things into them right over here. You can see that right up the top over there. So you have 2 of those, and then you have a USB and a USB-C charger right back here, which is nice. You got a nice long cord over here as well, which is really, really nice. I like the fact that you get the best of both worlds here. You got a drawer right over here. You got 2 things, 2 plugs you could plug into, and you got a USB and a USB-C. So you could take care of all your charging needs, and you have the open space down here. This one right over here, this one is really, really cool because this actually lights up. So you can light this up 22 different colors, and you have all these different patterns. It doesn't always have to flash like that. You could just do it a solid color as well. All these different colors you could do. It has 2 light strips, 1 light strip over here, another one down over there. It does come with this remote control right over here that lets you control everything. I really do like that part about it. So you don't have to rely on a phone or anything or look at stuff for your bed. This right over here, we got 2 outlets, one up here, one over here, the USB-C and the USB-C over here, which is nice. We have 2 drawers down here as well, and some space over there. These do pop out if you wanted to pop them out. This is kind of the size. This drawer is definitely bigger. If we put the iPad in here, you can kind of see a lot more space over there for this drawer, and it's definitely a little wider. So that's something to note about that. A nice little kind of table top up over here as well. You definitely get an iPad on here, or you get a phone on here, your remote, even like kind of a little bit of an alarm clock. So that's kind of nice about this. This is great. We kind of have this in like a game room type of thing going on because it lights up. So that's like kind of cool with that. This one over here, this is going to be the next one over here. This is 16 by 16 by 24. You can hold 33 pounds on each of these shelves. It's kind of nice. You can put books on here and stuff like that. This one over here doesn't have any electric or anything like that. So this could be moved around wherever you want because you don't need to rely on a plug to plug it in. You do have 2 shelves right over here, which is nice. This is made of composite wood. So super durable, and because it's made of composite wood, this top right over here is water resistant. So if you put a glass on here, I'm not saying I recommend that, or some water spills, no big deal, you can just wipe it up. We got the nice X-cross pattern right over here. So really nice. This is super functional. You could use this in a living room setting. So that's how we use each one of these. So this one over here, we're using kind of as a nightstand type of thing in the room. This one right over here is being used in a game room. And this one right over here is being used for kind of like side table, end table, down here next to that couch. Anyone could be used versatile. So some of the pros and cons of all of these. If you are looking for something that could be really put anywhere, this is going to be the one for you, because you don't need to rely on a plug or anything like that, because this could literally be put anywhere. Super durable. Again, you can hold 33 pounds on each shelf. So really, really nice. This one right over here, you're going to need a plug. I don't really think you want this kind of like in a living room or anything like that, because the light thing is probably not really meant for that. It's kind of meant maybe for like a younger one's bedroom potentially, or a game room kind of setting. You do have the 2 drawers right over here to put controllers, remotes, whatever you want. And you do have the electric on top, and these also have the electric on top. This just kind of looks like more of a nightstand to me. I can definitely see using these maybe in like another living room type of situation, but we have these in a bedroom, and then you have the nice open space in there. In terms of putting this stuff together, I would say this one was the easiest to put together. This was the hardest, and that was the second hardest. This one comes with really easy instructions, all the tools you need, the Allen wrench, the screwdriver. These do not come with tools, so just note that. You're only going to get one of these. For these, you're going to get 2 each. So it's a matching set. For this one, you just get the one, so that's another big difference. So that's kind of the difference between all of these. Just quick rundown, if you're looking for something that has power, these are going to be the 2 for you. If you're looking for something that could be really placed anywhere, that's going to be the one for you. Really like both of these. All of them have sufficient storage on top. It's just really going to depend whether you want electric or not. Obviously that one doesn't have a draw. This has 1, that has 2. This has bigger draws, smaller draws. I hope you found this video helpful and you find the right end table / nightstand for you, and give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful.